AGA. Board seal. Free with the Amiga from Amiga Technologies. Oh, yeah. It has a bit more fidelity to it, huh? Somehow, in this version, the mushroom doesn't seem to move. Oh, it does move. Wants me to go there anyway, so that's, I guess, where we'll come around anyways as well. It feels like playing Donk with less controls. I like how the game is not trying to make the music more stressful, although we picked up time. Yeah, let's go into the goal. Game goes crazy all of a sudden. So this is the version that you're supposed to play. Because the ESC version, interestingly enough, is broken. And this one feels how it should feel. So, don't ask me. Old games be like that, right? We got our magic block that we need. Otherwise we cannot go further, but we need the rocket for the 1K. I'm not sure, the game has two paths here, so maybe we're just gonna check out this path before we move too far. Yeah. Here we go. Probably the better choice. Oh. Just leads back here. Now let's check out the top here as well. Ah, okay. Guess that's cool. Okay, all of a sudden the game is fun, I must honestly say, due to it not being bugged anymore. But I'm gonna be honest, the perspective is still throwing one off. It's gonna take a bit to get used to that. Ah, yeah. Okay, yeah. We don't have anything which will take us somewhere else, so let's take it on this. I'm gonna be a bit careful with scouring around. Hey, we got our block. Is that the wrong block? It seems like it's the wrong block, okay. That's not good because time is not our friend here. Is it? Maybe we ventured too deep, so... There we go. But then again... No, we get this. What about this one here? Ah! Ah, good. Yeah, doesn't change the fact that we're gate kept here. And we need an answer to that. Otherwise we done goofed. Question is, what is the answer though? Because this is the same thing, it leads to the same thing. Did we miss a magic block in this map before? This game feels like there's so much you could miss, so... But then again, nah. Can just stay grounded here. Yeah, I think this is the section which we haven't really checked out. The right-bound one. You kind of gotta like learn the levels to know how you should tackle them. For example, we don't have the wooden block here yet. Oh yeah, that's the one that we didn't check out. You remember this? Bonk, thank you. And now we got wood. Oh, I wanted to make it properly. Now that we have wood, we have our breakthrough moment here. And with that being said, now we can get our stone one here. Which then in return... Ah, bruh. Thank you. Yeah, we can keep this for a bit. This one will allow us. Yes, sir. Oh, come on. Swear down, I touch it properly. Okay. Yes, we take it then. Uh-oh, okay. Okay. Like how the game tries to stress you by having this kind of music, which will reset in a second anyways. And most importantly, I have to just check how we get over there, but there was a time bonus as well, so... It's not that tight, is it? Yeah, that's how we get over there. Thank you. Oh, it would have been time. You know what? I want to get that time, to be honest. Because it's still bonus points in the end. Ooh! Oh, some juicy drops there. And we made it. Cammy, you know those mushrooms? Amanita muscaria. A couple of them grew in my village the size of dinner plates. Welcome in, good morning. Or good afternoon, good evening in your case. Amanita muscaria. Let me Google it. Amanita muscaria. Ooh. This, I see big ones, but size of dinner plates is crazy. But they're very poisonous, aren't they? We call it Fliegenpilz, which means fly mushroom. Evening. All the Amiga friends, man. All the Amiga friends. Okay. We can skip him by jumping. The little damage we take here is redundant, okay? Not yet. That path is not meant for us yet. And let's take the other route. Question is, what is the other route? Okay, that ain't the other route. I think this here will be too high, yeah? It is too high. Ah, I'm an idiot. Just need to properly look. He made a video of a game of yours? I want to see that game. And I want to watch that video. What game would that be? They are mildly poisonous and hallucinogenic, but there are ways to prepare them to reduce the toxicity. To only get the hallucinogenic effect, or is there also some nutritious value to them? Because mushrooms are like somewhat mid, right? In terms of if it would be advisable to eat them. Oh, there we go. Oh, for 300 points, I mean, yeah. Maybe it counts towards ending the level bonus as well. I wanted to go there, Debbie, thank you. Thank you kindly, game. Let's check out the right. Yes, sir. Perfect. Let me check out the left as well. When we're at it already. Okay. Where would that lead though? I think we may be progressing the level too far already, but then again. Okay. Come on. There we go. We got this. Yes, one more treasure. There we go. That was hideous. Wow, penguin. That penguin was very unexpectedly quick. Okay, we're gonna find our little brick counterpart here. There we go. Oh, quicker than expected. Still very early in development, a platform game about a girl who threw stuff at monsters. It's inspired by Wonder Boy and Ghosts and Goblins. Ooh, that's a wild combination. I like it. What are you using for developing it? Is it like true ASM or what's the medium of your choice, Kemi? This is a blind jump. Sadly, it didn't, but that's not a big deal. See that? The champ just was like, goodbye. Yeah, let's check it out. Nevertheless. Okay, yeah. That's a bit later then, I guess. Then the key we won't get here. Aha! It's a champ cannon. The good old trusty champ cannon. A relic from the days of old. Okay. It feels like we would be in theory like in a good spot, but then again it feels like I'm missing out on some item I might need to go on here. Because apparently we don't need the brickstone part anymore. But then again, I don't think that we need to backpedal and we're running out of time if I try to, so... Let's see again if I was just stupid. Missing something. Gotta activate again? I know. Backbone. I can't program in anything else except Amiga and just begin in that too. That's fine. Ah, that was... risky. Risky bits. I know that a lot of people are trying Backbone at the moment. And not Backbone, help me out. What's its name? Scorpion Engine. It seems to catch a lot of wind. The thing we need to crack this thing here again... Aha! See. And now the time is out, so we're probably going to die. Yeah, we're dead. Fuck, now that we figured it out. I don't want to do all of this again. That's the only downside of this game. I'm just doing the run right now, but to be honest, it feels like one of those I don't want to do it all over again games, right? Ah. Okay, let's see. Don't forget the rocket is important. Oh. Oh, maybe we want to do that then, huh? Take me all the way up. Take me higher. Oh no! I guess we take it then. Those were some extra points though. Ooh, interesting. It's like we're playing a whole different level now. Somewhat. And I know I'm skipping out on a lot, but then again, I just don't feel like going through all of it again. I hope you guys understand. As long as I can watch the video that Chiro made on the game, I'm happy, because I'm just very interested. I'm always interested in new games. It's like, that's my hobby. Well, that was important. There we go. Ah, level over. Nice. Just want to make sure one simple complete game of Backbone, then I focus make a better one and complex game in another engine. That makes sense. I'm not the biggest fan of using visual coding myself, but I'm a developer as a professional, so I'm auto-biased. But it's so nice to see people actually being able to create things with GUI. Oh, excuse me. Oh. Oh. I like game making tools because it gives some people an easy introduction to game design. See, the thing is, it's the same with, I'm a music tracking guy, but then again, I think some mobile studios like the Korg studios, they gamificate the process of making music. And the question is, do you want to be the guy who learns Pro Tools and be super specific about how to route your whole bus and how you want your audio buses to be set up and run stuff through it? Do you want to be the one turning and pressing a lot of things and figuring out what's good, like have the creative process? And I think coding is the same thing. If you are an innovative person, I wouldn't want you as a person to be gatekept by norms of you need to write code in that specific editor, in that specific way. I'm not a fan about that stuff. So I'm thinking like Backbone, Scorpion Engine, all those things, RPG Maker, I like them. You just focus on the game. If you really want to code a game in a programming language, then that's already another thing. But mostly you can do both in both situations, and you need to get used to it anyway, so I think it's totally fine. But the level of lead ASM coder someday, I feel that. Who wouldn't? Yeah, but Scorpion's exactly the thing that you said you don't like them. Now you like it. You said It's nice to see it, but you don't like it. Scorpion is that to a max. Scorpion is that to a max. What does ASM stand for, Vamirs? Assembly. I am going to silently judge on that, Vam. Yeah, Vam. You're getting judged here. Welcome in, Pont. That silent judgment is fully rectified. I'm a coder as profession. What is ASM? This guy. Hey. Not to speak of the fact that we have WASM at the moment, for example, WebAssembler. Hey, whoa, that was not a nice guy. Okay, so we need the wood block, but the question is, do we lose anything by not using the block I had? I guess we're about to find out. Basically, I'm just running to end the run. I don't want to play this anymore. Oh no, wait. That was where we needed a key. So we need to go back, but left path, I think it was, right? Yeah, this one. I know you always do use silent charger, you. Even rhymes. Oh! Oh! Oh, bello! We just made a weird skip. Let's see if we're getting somehow shunned for doing that, or if it works. But I can't help but be excited for being able to skip a big locked door like that. If it was intended, super smart game design. If it wasn't intended, take that. Okay, and now? We've been here. Oh my god, this is a hideous level. My keyboard needs new batteries. I hope you got them at home. Batteries are the usual theme of a person's preparation, aren't they? We all know that feel, Cammy. Oh, wait. We take that because it wasn't looking too good for us. Bro, that was a lot of damage. Unrectified. How dare they? Woo! There we go. Guess I want to go here. I want to go down. Let me go down. Yes. Oh. Hello. I thought you could do something cool there. Column impressed, you can't. Ah, I get it now, because we need to go back with it, so we don't need to do all this stuff again. We can just skip a little portion, that's fine. Oh, ooh, we did it. One or another. Oh, we take it. Trust me, we take it. I thought I figured out the way to the brick wall. Never mind then, though. Okay, but we can do it like this again. And take the time. We're running out of it. Oh, okay. That is neat. Oh no, that's a rocket. We already got the rocket though. Is it that we need to go this path then again? I don't know anymore. I don't know what I know anymore. Oh, yeah. Yeah. No. I said yeah. But actually, no. All these lead to nothing. Oh my god, why is this level concept so convoluted? I would love to remember where that brick wall is, but apparently I don't, so... Guess we're somewhat stranded now. It's good. It's good. I'm gonna die now. For the sake of placing the score, 114, 300. So there we go. 114, 300. Population score. Although that was nice because it's bigger than the OG record. And I don't want to play this game any further.